Pasadena homeowners know how important it is to keep indoor spaces comfortable while managing energy costs. With warm temperatures for much of the year and occasional cooler spells, your home's exterior doors play a bigger role in efficiency than you might think. If your current doors are outdated, drafty, or poorly sealed, replacing them can significantly improve energy performance. Here's how modern replacement doors help Pasadena homes become more energy efficient while enhancing overall comfort. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Older doors often develop gaps around the frame due to wear, settling, or outdated installation methods. Even small cracks can allow conditioned air to escape and warm outdoor air to enter. Modern replacement doors are engineered with advanced weather stripping and compression seals. When properly installed, they create a tight barrier that minimizes air leakage. In Pasadena's warm climate, this means your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Insulated door cores make a difference. Today's energy-efficient doors are built with insulated cores, typically made from polyurethane foam. These cores significantly reduce heat transfer compared to older hollow or solid wood doors. Fiberglass and steel replacement doors are especially effective because they combine insulation with durability. In summer, they help block exterior heat. During cooler months, they keep indoor warmth from escaping. This improved insulation translates into greater comfort and potential savings on monthly utility bills. Energy-efficient glass options. If your entry door includes decorative glass or if you're upgrading patio doors, modern glass technology offers major efficiency improvements. Double-pane glass with insulating gas fills reduces heat transfer. Low emissivity, low E, coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light inside. This is particularly valuable in Pasadena, where sunlight is abundant. These features allow homeowners to enjoy bright, welcoming interiors without excessive heat gain. Reducing strain on your HVAC system. When doors leak air or allow heat transfer, your HVAC system compensates by running more frequently. Over time, this increases energy consumption and may shorten the lifespan of your equipment. By installing properly sealed, insulated replacement doors, you reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems. This not only improves efficiency but can also lower maintenance needs and extend equipment life. Better sealing against humidity. Pasadena's climate can include periods of humidity, which may impact indoor comfort. Poorly sealed doors can allow humid air to enter, forcing your air conditioner to work harder to remove excess moisture. Energy-efficient replacement doors help maintain a consistent indoor environment by limiting outside air infiltration. Professional installation is key. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well without proper installation. Professional installers ensure the door is level, square, and securely sealed within the frame. Correct flashing, insulation, and caulking prevent hidden gaps that could undermine performance. This attention to detail ensures your new door delivers maximum efficiency. Long-term savings and added value. While replacing doors is an investment, the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial cost. Lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, and reduced HVAC strain all contribute to ongoing savings. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades can increase your home's resale value. Buyers in Pasadena appreciate homes with modern features that support comfort and efficiency. A smart upgrade for Pasadena homes. Replacement doors do more than improve appearance, they enhance your home's energy performance. By eliminating drafts, improving insulation, and reducing heat transfer, modern doors help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. For Pasadena homeowners looking to reduce energy waste and enjoy a more comfortable living space, upgrading to energy-efficient replacement doors is a practical and valuable step forward.